So after trying so many things, you are still not able to get your desired band or 8 band in IELTS reading. Believe me, this is one video. It is very elaborate one. You need to pay attention the details, especially the yes, no, not given. Very important. True, false, not given. Students told me that ma'am, do the passage 2 or 3. So from the 19th Cambridge book, I am doing the passage 3, yes, no, not given. This will solve your problem, and after this it is going to be very easy for you to ace your IELTS. For those who do not know me, I'm an ex-IELTS examiner, Mrs. Aneeta Kundra, and based in India with 38 years experience. Yes, you can find the materials on www.englishwithanittakundra.com. Packages and PDFs are there. And of course, I also give personal and group coaching and evaluation services. Now, let's dive into the. What is important here is your keyword selection. Now, what does that mean? The keyword should be a numerical or something where the opposite is possible, because they are constructing the questions in such a way, the Cambridge, that yes, no, and not given, true, false, not given is constructed like that. Whether if the statement or the view of the writer is same, then it is yes. If it contradicts, that means it's opposite, then it is no. And if it is impossible possible to say what, you don't find anything. Now I'll give you an example, don't worry. Like, now there are two type of keywords I want to tell you. One is the location keywords by which you can locate, because like keywords like this, anthropologist, you know, and this, by this you will locate where is the location of the answer. But from where you will find the answer, that is difficult. So here I find that this mistaken could be unmistaken or not correct, or in, if it is correct, then it will be like it is true. But if something else is there, that it was not found like this, they were not mistaken, they were perfect, they were very sure. Okay, so that means it will be false. So the main here word here is, please pay attention, I am telling you very slowly so that you are able to implement this. Mistaken is here important. Then let's say humans develop war, like, okay, war could be a keyword for location. Okay, trades in the prehistory also they cannot change, which have had an advantage. Now this is the one that is going to change the meaning. See, this is the one. Okay, being peaceful, cooperative, okay, it could be there, ruthless and all, is a natural way. See, now all these words can be very important. It's not that only one word, so we can say that natural. Okay, now negative traits, okay, it could be negative here, they could say positive also. Okay, that could be, because I'm saying it could be a numerical or where the opposite is possible. So is more apparent in some modern cultures than the other. Now with modern cultures you can find out, that is the location, that is the location. Okay, so trades also could be a location word, but more here is numerical. And therefore I know there's a tip that if it is more it will be not given, but we can check it. Okay, now animal research, where there will be research or animal, that was the location word. Now what will be the keyword that will tell us whether it is false or true or not given? That would be failed. So if there is failed thing there, that would be true. If they will say that it is successful, then naturally if they say it is successful, so then it will become false. And if nothing is given about this, then it will be not given. I hope you understand. Now let me rub out this so that we can kind of be very careful how we are going. So I'm going to keep only the keywords that matter. Okay, and the rest I'm going to rub it off. Okay, now see, now the main thing we have to do here is that we have to, now let's see, some anthropologists are mistaken.
let's see, anthropologist, because we have to, and this key sung, whatever it is, whatever pronunciation. So let's see where it is. Just overall view. Okay, so there is one key sung here, right? Sorry for that. And one key sung is here. Okay, but then there is no anthropologist. Okay, anthropologist, and then I got this. So okay, we'll start reading from here. Many anthropologists always, one more tip is, another tip is, always read two options. Always read the two options. Okay, the two options, that means the two questions. So I'll read these two, because it could be that this is not given or this is given or whatever. So always read two options, because if one is not given, you won't be struck. Okay, so let's see. So we have to advantage and this mistaken thing, let's see. And then the third one is peaceful and natural. Let's see. So natural, advantage, and mistaken. Let's see. These are the most important ones. So if we are able to find out, then there is no problem. Okay, let's go. Now, we're normal until a few thousand years ago. We are trying to find mistaken, where population growth led to the development of agriculture and settled life. Nothing about mistaken or correct or perfect. In view of the above, there seems a little reason to assume that the traits such as racism, now war, fair, okay, war has, the second one, if you remember, and male domination should have been selected by evolution, as they had of been of little benefit, not much benefit. Okay, prehistoric, you remember that prehistory was in the second question. Individuals who behaved selfishly would be likely to survive, and they have been out. Okay, this is, we are not concerned. So we are concerned about these two things. What these? This, and here there is a little reason, prehistoric, little benefit, but where is that mistaken thing? We don't know. So let's keep it, maybe it is, it's going to be, therefore this is going to be not given, because we have found out this war, prehistory, and advantage. Here they said there was little benefit, that means not much advantage, but advantage means a lot of advantage. So here there's not much benefit, there was not much benefit. So here it will be no. Please note down this. Advantage means clearly it should be advantages. So here it is a no, and this is not given, because we could not find this thing, we could not find. This was there, this is for the location, remember that. Okay, so now, okay, so then the next is peaceful, cooperation, natural and modern cultures, negative traits, and more. We are interested in this more, right? And we are interested in natural. Okay, let's see. So they come in serial order. So if I have found the second or third here, the third will be here, and the fourth may be here. So it will follow the serial order. So see there, traits like this is cooperation was there, algorithmism, peacefulness, same, is as innate. Now if you do not know the meaning of innate, that will be a problem. That means natural, it's very natural for them. So that the third one will be true. So because it is natural, yeah, innate, should know the synonyms. Okay, so this is true. And yeah, now more apparent, less, we should say whether it was less, whether it was more, whether there was an increase in the negative traits or decline. We should know this, whether they are going to tell us about this. Let's see the next. Okay, but if prehistoric life was really as brutal as this assumed, why do modern humans behave so selfishly? We don't know. Negative traits, that word is there, should be seen as a later development. Less or no, we don't know. Environmental and psychological factors, less, no, we don't know. Research has rapidly, now research, that means the fourth one, that the natural habitats of the primates such as are disrupted and then to become more violent. That doesn't mean more violent, means they become more aggressive. So but it has increased, or the negative traits, have they increased or decreased? Okay, we do not know. So it will be a not given, because we do not know. So don't write because there is more and you write it not given, but here it is not given, because we are not given the negative traits will increase or decrease in the modern cultures. Then animal research have failed. Now this is important, this thing, keyword, because failed, successful, not successful, like that, link between the changes in the environment and the emergence of this. So let's see, they have failed. So we were reading there, we were reading that psychological, and that as a result of environment and psychological research has shown repeatedly. So see, the word repeatedly. There is nothing like failed and all that. They are saying repeatedly when the natural happiness of the brain, such as da 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 da, tend to become more violent. So here these are all distractors. So repeatedly here means not failed. It means it was shown that the these are disrupted. So something that is repeatedly shown is not failed. Okay, so it means it is a no here. So I hope you have understood. So this is a no here. Okay. So if you want any guidance, coaching, or evaluation, and I give personal coaching also, you can please contact me. And if any other query you have of any reading or anything, you can contact me, or I can even make a video for you. Thank you so much.